Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lexus Beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review for the company ZEELOOL. I'm sure you guys have heard of this company. This company is huge on Instagram, TikTok. All of the fabulous fashionistas are wearing the frames from this company. And yours truly will be reviewing them today. So they sent me 6 pair and we're going to go ahead and hop into my review and my thoughts about the different designs of the frames. So the first one we have here is called Felicia, and this style is so pretty. It's so chic. I really like it. It's very cute. It's very cute. So let's put them on and see how they feel. These are very comfortable and very lightweight. I like these a lot. They are so cute. And I feel like you can really wear these with any type of outfit. They are very chic and daring. I really like the fact that they don't have like a top frame to them. So like they have this bottom frame and the top is just kind of like, I don't know, the top don't have a frame to it. I think that's very unique and very cute. This is definitely for people who are like very fashionable. They have like a cute little diamond on the side of it. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up so you can see. That is really pretty. It's really pretty. I like these and they are so comfortable. I do not want to take them off. They are so comfortable. Like, I'm sure you could sleep in these. These are very, very nice and lightweight and comfortable. I really like these. I give that one a 10 out of 10. So the next one that we have is called Ruiz, R-U-I-Z. I think that's how you say it, but these are very cute. They're white and they have a very pretty like gold accent around it. I think that is so gorgeous. And this is just so pretty. I love like the cat eye frames. Those are my favorite. These are so pretty on me. I love these. These are so cute. And again, you guys, their frames are very, very lightweight. I really, really like them. They're very lightweight and very light. They're very pretty. I love these. And I like how they did the design. So you see that they have the white frame. They have this gold accent going across, and they also kept that same type of design on the sides of the frames. I think that is very unique and very pretty. Yeah, these are so gorgeous. I love these. And I like the cat eye. The cat eye is my favorite. That's my favorite type of eyewear. This is just so cute. So cute, so lightweight, even with all the different like designs on them. Because I know the material that they use to make the frames can like add on a little weight. But they are very lightweight on your face. They're very comfortable. And wow, these are so pretty. These are so gorgeous. Love them. Okay, so the next pair we have is Quantina. That's what it's called, Quantina. And I'll be listing all of the links below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So yeah, so these are very cute. They have like a splash of blue. They have some turquoise in it. They have a splash of white. They have, what else color is up in here? And I see a little bit of purple. So these are very fabulous. They're very different. And let's see how they feel. Oh, these are so cute. These are so adorable. I love these. I love these. These are so cute. The design is just so pretty because it's more like you can see through it. So it's not like just a solid type of color frame. You can see through it. So I think that is so cute and so thoughtful. And oh my God, look at the sides of these. They have like this beautiful embedded design going all the way down on the sides, and that is just so pretty. That's so pretty. I really like these. These are more lightweight than the first two that I just reviewed. These are so pretty. I feel like you can wear this with any outfit too. Like, I know they're very bold glasses, but I feel like you can wear them with any type of outfit because they just get a pass. Like, they're just so gorgeous. They definitely get a pass. And I usually would not wear these type of like circle frames, but they look so good on my face. It's like I can get away with it. So, all right, I like that one. I like that one. That one's also a 10 out of 10. So next we're gonna go to Starry. I'm sorry, I think it's called Starry. And off rip, I already know why they named it Starry, because it has like a glitter type of galaxy design. It's like this beautiful blue glittery galaxy design. This is so gorgeous. It's so pretty. It just reminds me of the galaxy. And I love how thick the sides are. I already know they're going to be very comfortable. Let's see. Oh, I love these. And they go on so snug. That's what I like too. Like, they're not too big. They're not too little. It's like they made the frame perfect for your face. Like, no matter how your face is shaped, no matter how your nose is shaped, the frames fit perfectly, and it just automatically look like it's, you're looking very fabulous with no effort. So I really like these. These are so pretty. Yeah, these are gorgeous. Again, with these two, I feel like you can wear this with any type of outfit because it's almost like the eyewear makes the whole outfit. So these are a 10 out of 10 as well. And we're gonna move on to A Wild. I think these were my favorite. Like, as soon as I picked them up out of the box, I just fell in love with the design. The sides are everything. Look how beautiful that is. Like, that is so thoughtful and beautiful. And I just love how it has like this beautiful light brown caramel top. And the bottom part is like this beautiful cheetah print design. And then I just love the transition. So you see how they did like this solid color at the top, and then they put the cheetah print at the bottom. And I love the transition between the two different colors. They pretty much like made it clear, and then they transitioned it to the cheetah print at the bottom. Like, that's pretty dope. I love that. And yeah, these are so cute. These are so cute, and they're so comfortable. Like, again, I really love this company eyeglasswear because all of their glasses are so comfortable and so pretty. These are gorgeous. These are so pretty. And I love how they got the little diamonds on the side. Like, you cannot beat this. You cannot beat this. These are gorgeous. Let's see if we can focus in. Yeah, these are everything. Look at those diamonds on the side. That's so pretty, right? That is so pretty. I love these. I really don't have a favorite, to be honest with you. I don't have a favorite. But that one is like very nice. So the last pair we're going to get into is called Malcolm. And we all know why it's called Malcolm, because they do mimic the same design as Malcolm X. Famous photo he took that's like very famous. But yeah, so these are very pretty. They're very thick, and like I said, I feel like no matter how your style is, no matter how your makeup, how your hair is, I feel like the glasses just make the whole look. Like, you don't need to do much because the glasses just set the whole tone for whatever look you're going for. And it just makes you look like a fashionista. It makes you look like you have style. It's very beautiful. This is so gorgeous. These right here are out my norm, but I would definitely rock these because they're just so pretty. They're so pretty, and I love how thick they are, and the material feels so good. This is very like smooth. I don't know what type of material they use, but it's very smooth. So yeah, these are gorgeous. Look how thick the sides are. I feel like that just adds a lot of character to the glasses. They are just so pretty and so smooth. Like, I just cannot stop saying how smooth they are. They are so pretty. So I love these. You guys, this company went in on all of these type of glasses, like, and I'm sure they have a lot more. I rate everything a 10 out of 10. I love them. I literally have no favorite. It's like between the white with the gold and the caramel cheetah print one and Malcolm. I don't know. I don't know which one to choose, but let me know in the comment section below, which eyeglass wear do you like best? Which one would you be most likely purchasing? And I do have a code to share with you guys that they sent me. So whoever is the first to give me that comment, I will be letting you guys use my code that ZEELOOL have gifted to me. I love you all. Thank you so much, ZEELOOL, for sending me this package. It is so bomb, so amazing. And I cannot wait till other people see it and shop one of these eyeglasses. But yes, you guys, I love you so much. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And follow me on Instagram at I am Queen Lexus. Also follow my TikTok at LexusLC500. Thank you so much, ZEELOOL. You guys are the bomb. And I cannot wait to continue to work with you all. Bye.